Ever try brown stew chicken feet? Don't scroll past just yet, because this dish is way more flavorful than you think. Today I am showing you step by step from cleaning and chopping to seasoning and browning, so you can make the most delicious fall off the bone chicken feet right at home. Welcome back to KK's Kitchen and More. In today's recipe, we are cooking up a classic favorite, brown stew chicken feet. Yes, in Jamaica we call it chicken foot. I will take you through the full process: washing, chopping, seasoning with fresh herbs and spices, and then browning to bring out the rich, savory flavor. Whether you have cooked chicken feet before or this is your first time, you are going to love how simple and tasty this recipe is. Here I have 2 pounds of chicken feet, and I am cleaning up. I am cutting off the tip, that's the nail section. I'm cutting off that section, and sometimes in the middle you have some unfinished work there, so I'll go ahead and I'll clean up that section as well, and I'll chop it in 2. I don't separate it, but I just chop it so it's more manageable. Okay. After washing and draining, here I am about to season my chicken foot now, and I am going in with some black pepper, some Goya seasoning, going in with some Cajun seasoning, going in with a little ginger powder, and here I have my jerk blend, and I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of jerk blend. You can use whatever seasoning you have, that's okay. Here I have some browning. We are doing brown stew, so I'm using some browning for color. Here I'm going in with some oil. I'm just using the oil to blend the seasoning together and to lock in the moisture in the chicken foot. So this is it. This is my seasoned chicken feet, and here I'm just going to cover it and allow it to marinate. Okay, half an hour to 1 hour is good. Here I'm putting in some oil, not much oil in the pot, and what I'm going to do, I am going to put in my chicken feet. So it's time to get browning. Okay, we are browning the chicken feet. This is where I want to say thanks to all my returning subscriber. Thank you so much for holding this channel down. Thank you for your support. It means a lot to me. And for all the new person that are watching for the very first time, welcome to KK's Kitchen. I am glad to have you. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if this is the content that interests you. And remember, turn on the notification bell. That's when I put out a video, you will be among those that get the video first. Shouting out to all my members, thank you so much for still being here. Thank you for renewing your membership. I appreciate you so much. So here, guys, is where I starting to brown. So what I'll do from time to time, I will just go in and I will stir and just keep stirring until it is fully brown. So what I want you to do, I want you to just sit back and watch me prepare this brown stew chicken feet for you step by step, okay? So guys, if you notice, it is getting browner, and if you notice the liquid in the pot, yes, I just tip a little water in there, and that's what you keep stirring until it forms the color. Here I am putting it in the pressure cooker so I can hasten the cooking time, okay? So I'm just going to put it in the pressure for about 10 minutes just to get it tender. And here, after 10 minutes, this is my chicken foot. I'm going in now with my natural seasoning. Yes, guys. The natural seasoning will take the taste up a notch. So I'm going in, I have scallion, onion, tomato, bell peppers, different color bell peppers, thyme. Going in with some ketchup, Carl's ketchup, and I am going in with some dark soy sauce because I realize that it could be a little bit darker. And also I am going in with some oyster sauce just for flavor. You don't have to use it, you can do it without the soy sauce, but just for flavor I am putting in the soy sauce. And over here I'm steaming some rice, guys, steaming some rice, and I'm putting in some spinach in my rice, you know, just to change the taste and for presentation. You know that spinach can be eaten raw because it have a lot of health benefit. It can also stir it in your rice when you're about to finish cooking the rice. Okay, so back to my pot. I'm checking to see how far it is from ready, and as you can see, it needs to go down a little more, so let us allow it to go down a little more. Checking in, guys, checking in for gravy. This is where you check for gravy and taste, if the right amount of flavor, salt is in there, if there's any need for addition. This is where you check. And I am going in with my remainder of spinach, and this is mainly for colors, and that's it. Our brown stew chicken feet is ready to enjoy. Tender, flavorful, and absolutely mouth-watering. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another delicious step-by-step recipe. Comment below if you have tried chicken feet before, or if this will be your first time giving it a go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking, walk good, God bless you.